Now coming to the seventh part. Seventh part में है 110592. So let's find the prime factorize. 110592. 2 से start करते हैं. This will be 5, 5, 2, 9 and 6. Again with 2, we'll get 2, then 7, 6, 4, 8. Again with 2, 1, 3, 8, 2, 4. Again with 2, 6, 9, 1, 2. Again with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again with 2, 1, 7, 2, 8. Now we have 1, 7, 2, 8. 2 से करेंगे, we will get 2 8s are 16, 6 and 4. Again with 2, 4 and 3, 2. Again with 2, 2, 1, 6, 2, 1, 0, 8. Again with 2, 5, 4. Again with 2, 2, 7. Now we have 27. So 3 से करेंगे 9, 3, 3, 3, 1. ठीक है? So let's write it down. पहले हम 2 जितने भी है काउंट कर लेते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now 3 times there. So 1, 2, 3. Now let's form the pairs. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So यहाँ पे total 5 triplets बने हैं. So सब triplet में से एक number ले लेंगे. This will come as 2, 2, 2, 2 and 3. So now let's multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Now 16 into 3, 16 multiply by 3. 6 3s are 18, 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4. So this means this is equals to 48. So the cube root of 110592 is 48. So this was part number 7. Now let's come to the next part. So now coming to the 8th part. 8th part में है 4 6 6 5 6. Let's find the prime factorization of this. 4 6 6 5 6. Start करेंगे 2 के टेबल से. So 2 3 3 2 8. Again with 2 1 1 6 6 4. Again with 2. So this will be 5 8 3 2. Again with 2 2 9 1 6. Again with 2 1 4 5 8. Again with 2 7 2 and 9. So now we have 729. So इसको कर सकते हैं हम 3 की टेबल से. So 729. 3 से करेंगे. We will get 3 2, the 6 4 3. Again with 3. So 8 1. Again with 3. So we'll get 2 7. Again with 3. We'll get 9 3 3 3 and 1. Okay, so now let's count the 2's. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times 2 आ रहे. We can write it as in the cube root 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Multiply by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So now let's form the triplets. So ये एक triplet हो गया. This is the second one and this is the third one and this is the fourth one. तो यहाँ पे 4 triplets है. हर triplet में से एक number ले लेंगे. It will be 2, 2, 3 and 3. So let's multiply this. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 into 3 is, let's multiply. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. So this is 36. Means the cube root of 46656 is 36. This was part number 7. Now let's come to the next part. Now coming to the 9th part. 9th part में है 175616. So इसका prime factorization करते हैं. 175616. 2 से start करेंगे. This will be 2 8s. Then we have 7, 8. Then we have 0 and 8. Again 2 से करेंगे. 4, 3, 9, 0, 4. Again with 2, 2, 1, 9, 5, 2. Again with 2, 1, 0, 9, 7, 6. Again with 2, 5, 4, 8 and 8. Again with 2, so 2, we'll get 7, 4, 4. So 2, 7, 4, 4. Again, इसको 2 से कर सकते हैं. We'll get 1 and then 3, 7, 2. Again with 2, we will get 6, 8, 6. Again with 2, 3, 4, 3. अब हम इसे 2 से नहीं कर सकते. ना ही ये 3 से होगा, ना ही 5 से, but 7 से हो सकता है. So, we'll do it with 7. This will be 7 4s are 28. Then we will have 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So means 63, which is 9s are. Again with 7, 7, 7 and 1. So now let's write the factors. पहले 2 काउंट करते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 times repeat हो रहा है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we have 7, 1, 2, 3 times. Now let's find the triplets. यहाँ पे एक ये है. Then we have this one, then this and then this one. So हर triplet में से एक number ले लेंगे. This will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. So this will be 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 into 7 is 56. So the cube root of 175616 is 56. Now let's come to the last part. Now coming to the 10th part. We have 91125. So let's prime factorize this number. 91125. So we'll start with 3. 3, 0. We have 11. So 3s are 9, 10, 11, 22 बचा. 7s are and then 5. 3. So 1, 0, 1, 2, 5. Again with 3. 3, 3. And then we have again 22. So 7 and 5. Now 3. So 1, 1, 2, 5. Again, let's take a very 3 से होगा 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So 3s are again 3, then 7 and then 5. Again with 3, 1, 2 and 5. Now we have 125. So now we can say ये 3 से नहीं होगा. So 5, 2, 5, 5, 5, 5 and 1. Right? So let's write the factors. It says 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. Let's form the triplets. 1, 2 and 3. So we can write it as, हर ट्रिपलेट में से हम एक नंबर ले लेंगे. It will be 3 into 3 into 5. So 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 5, 45. So the cube root of 91125 is 45. So this was 10th part and this was the last part of this question. This was question number 1 from exercise 7.2. Now let's come to the next question.